Monte Carlo methods are widely used in reliability engineering to assess system failure risks, optimize maintenance strategies, and improve product durability. These simulations help engineers model uncertainties in component lifetimes, environmental conditions, and operational stresses. Why use Monte Carlo in reliability engineering? Reliability engineering focuses on predicting and preventing system failures. Monte Carlo simulations assist by estimating failure probabilities under different operating conditions, modeling wear-out mechanisms and degradation over time, evaluating maintenance schedules to minimize downtime and costs, failure analysis with Monte Carlo. Monte Carlo techniques help analyze component reliability by simulating lifetimes and failure distributions, system failure modes by modeling dependencies between parts, the impact of environmental factors on product lifespan, risk assessment and safety optimization. Monte Carlo methods are essential for assessing risk probabilities in critical infrastructure like aerospace and power plants, the likelihood of catastrophic failures in complex systems, the effectiveness of safety measures and redundancy planning. Applications in maintenance planning. Reliability engineers use Monte Carlo simulations to optimize preventive maintenance schedules to reduce unexpected failures, spare parts inventory management to balance cost and availability, condition-based monitoring strategies to predict failures in real time. Challenges of using Monte Carlo in reliability engineering. Despite its benefits, Monte Carlo analysis in reliability engineering has challenges. Requires accurate failure data for realistic predictions. Computationally intensive for highly complex systems. Needs careful validation to match real-world performance. Conclusion: Monte Carlo methods have transformed reliability engineering by enabling precise risk assessment, failure prediction, and maintenance optimization. As industries demand higher reliability and safety, these simulations will continue to be a critical tool for engineers and decision makers.